As you can see, I haven't painted my dragster. I've decided to keep it with a wood finish. I've kept it quite smooth and it's now ready for assembly. To assemble my dragster, I need parts of a straw, which I'm going to cut off, 2 big wheels, which are wider, 2 narrower front wheels, 2 metal axles and 4 washers. To start off with, what we need to do is cut 2 bits of straw which are going to sit inside our hole that we cut for our axles. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to cut it just slightly shorter than the width. Now what this means is it will just sit inside my hole that I've drilled and I shouldn't be able to see it, and it's not going to stick out either side. The straw is there to reduce friction from the axle. So I'm going to repeat this step for the front. And just push that into our front hole that we drilled. So once the straws are in, we take one of our back wheels, we just insert one of the axles into the wheel, being gentle not to break our wheel. Then we take one washer and we put it on the axle. So we've got wheel, axle, washer, push that through the hole. Then we go another washer, and then we're going to gently push this back wheel on. Sometimes it can be quite stiff, so I'm just going to give it a little twist just to help it. So I haven't pushed that all the way together, and that's because I want my wheels to spin nice and free. All we now need to do is repeat those steps with the front wheels. So there we have our dragster wheels, which roll nice and smooth and are going to give us a nice fast car. So once you have your wheels on your dragster, there's one more step that we need to complete, and that is to insert our screw eyes into our dragster. Now, what we don't want to do is hit our axle with our screw eye. So just make sure that you're not going in straight into your axle. So as you can see, we have the back screw eye in and we've done the front screw eye also. If I lay the straw across the bottom wheels, you'll see that there's clearance between the bottom of the straw and the screw eye. That means that we got our axle hole in the right location to give us enough clearance. As you can see, both the screw eyes are on the center line of the car. That means that the car is going to travel nice and easy down the line and there's not going to be much resistance. If they were one side and the other, then it would have a kink and it would therefore create friction and slow the car down. So now we are ready to race.